Welcome to Introduction to Coaching. My name is Dr. Ryan Cumston, and I will be your instructor for this course. Here we are on the course homepage, which is also the announcements page. You will see that it's the top button in the main menu on the left side of the screen. So if you're ever somewhere else and you need to come back to see what's due, just click that button. Below announcements is the syllabus button where you can find information about this course, such as the grading policy, the textbook information, and so on. I strongly recommend you go and check out the syllabus to see what everything in this course is all about. Below the syllabus button is the most important button, which is the modules button. In the modules area, you will find a folder for each topic each week. For this first week, we have coaching objectives. When you go into the coaching objectives folder, you will see a few documents to load. The first is skeletal notes. Skeletal notes go with the lesson. Skeletal notes are not collected. They are yours to fill in as a resource to prepare for the quizzes. The other two documents for coaching objectives will help you build an idea of what your objectives are for when you go to make your case study. Below the documents is the lesson. It's designed so you can start and stop it as many times as you need. It will pick up right where you left off. And the lesson is also not graded. It does have practice questions that will help check the level of knowledge you're acquiring before you have to go in and take the graded quiz. Below the lesson is the quiz. It is 10 questions. There is no time limit, and you have unlimited attempts before the due date. So if you get a 9 out of 10, go back in and take it, get that 10 out of 10, earn all of the points for the quizzes. They are a significant percentage of your semester grade. The last thing that you will see in each module is the case study. The case study is a discussion board where you will take the information from the forms that you filled out for this week coaching objectives, and you will build a single slide as an infographic. You can see that I've posted an example of my coaching objectives infographic, as well as a reply, which you also have to make to another student during the week. When building your infographic, I've provided my slide as a template that you can go in and change out my information for yours. Just make sure if you're using PowerPoint that you save the file or export it as a JPEG format. If you're using a different software, just make sure that you can save it as an image file because that's how you'll upload it to the discussion. When working with the documents, they are in a PDF form, so make sure if you're on a Mac or on a PC that you have Adobe Reader ready to go, or if you're opening them in the web browser to fill them in, make sure you have something like Google Chrome, as Safari does not work well with PDFs. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask me. I look forward to working with everyone.